Friends, can you see this tap? See, it's clean and it's shining. See, this is hard water stain remover which I have made today. Now I am dipping this scrubber in this stain remover and applying on this tap. See the difference? Immediately after I have applied this stain remover on this tap, for more better result, leave it for some time and then wash it. Friends, this hard water stain remover is safe for hands. As you can see, I am not wearing gloves and my hands are safe. Now I am wiping it with cloth. You can wash it or you can wipe it. Now friends, see the result. See this one and compare with this one. Can you see the difference? Hello friends, welcome back to Mothermade channel. Friends, today we will make tap cleaner. Means we will make hard water stain remover which removes the stain of water on stainless steel tap. For making tap cleaner, I have taken SLES. This is SLES. It is easily available in the industrial chemical shop and it is very low in cost. See its texture and color. The second raw material is hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid is in a dilute form. It is easily available in the grocery shops and they call it tile cleaner. Now I am adding SLES in hydrochloric acid. The quantity of hydrochloric acid is 80 ml and the quantity of SLES is 20 ml. I am making 100 ml of stain remover. Then mix it properly. Friends, as you can see, after adding SLES into hydrochloric acid, the consistency of liquid has become thicker. The third ingredient is common salt. You can take any brand, any salt, take a pinch of salt and mix in it. Then mix it thoroughly for some time. So friends, finally your tap cleaner is ready. Now I will show you how to use it and I will show you the result. So I am dipping a scrubber in this solution and applying on this tap. Apply all over the tap. Then leave it for some time. I am not leaving it because I am making video. After leaving for some time, scrub it a little and scrub more on that surface where stain is more harder. After that, wash it with water and wipe it with cloth. So after scrubbing, I am wiping it with this cloth. Now see the result. See the difference. The neighboring tap is so dirty and this one is shining. Friends, some people clean the tap directly with HCl. This is not good. It will spoil your tap. After cleaning with HCl directly, it will look clean at that time. But after one day, you will see some powdery substance has deposited on that tap. But if you use tap cleaner, it will not happen. I am showing you this picture after 48 hours. See, the tap is sparkling clean. Friends, you can clean your stainless steel sink also with this tap cleaner. Friends, the cost of making this tap cleaner is very low. The price of SLES in the market is around 70 to 80 rupees per liter. So I am assuming rupees 100 for 1 liter. So if you take 200 ml, it will be around rupees 20. The price of HCl is rupees 30 in the shop for 1 liter. So for 800 ml, the cost will be around rupees 25. So the total cost will be 25 plus 20. That means the total cost will be rupees 45 for 1 liter tap cleaner. And friends, if you buy acid from the chemical shop, you will get a liter of HCl in 20 rupees, and it will be in a very concentrated form. Add 50% water, make it dilute and then use it. So the cost will decrease drastically. Means the total cost of making tap cleaner will become even lesser. So if you want to do business, this business will be very profitable, as the selling price is very high. So friends, tell me, isn't it easy to make tap cleaner? Please write down in the comment box. And did you like my video? If you do, please click the like button and please share my video with all your friends and relatives. And friends, if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. After clicking the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon there. Please press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will notice 3 options on the screen, all written on the top. So please press the all button. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will receive notification whenever I make a new video in future. So if you want to see my future videos, please click the all button. Now friends, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye. Stay safe, stay healthy.